Hey, what is up, guys? It's Killer Shark here, and welcome back to a brand new video. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at a tier list for Roblox Bedwars kits. So the highest one is godlike, then overpowered, then good, then okay, then bad, then bug, and then terrible. Because yeah, there are definitely some that are terrible. And yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, like the video and subscribe and do all the things that the YouTubers tell you to do. Yeah. So anyways, let's get started with the first one. Alright, so the first kit we're going to be ranking today is Reaper. Now, a lot of you guys think this kit is really good. Here, let me do a view of the whole tier list. So a lot of you guys would put it right up here. But this is my opinion. And in my opinion, it's not only gonna go here. It's not only gonna go here, but it's gonna go here. And I'm gonna tell you why. I don't know why, personally. I don't know why people think this is so good. Because this kit, all it does for you is when you kill someone, it turns you invisible. But that doesn't help anything because people can't see you. You can't hit people while you're invisible. But people can still see you. So the invisible part doesn't even matter. They still see your transparent outline. When this kit first came out, I'm pretty sure it made you invisible. But now it doesn't. That's what's really bad about it. You also can't break beds while you're invisible. If you could, it would be right here or something. It really only helps you if you kill people, and if you're not really the best at killing people and you're more of a farmer person and you can't use that kit, then it's just a bad kit. So I'm just gonna put it in bad. Alright, the next kit, Raven. You guys are gonna be pretty surprised on where I put this, but it's going up here. Up here to the tippity top godlike. Alright. So here's why. Well, first of all, the kit skin is beautiful. Second of all, he throws birds, and they have potions, and they kill people with poison. And even if it doesn't do that much damage, do you know how overpowered this kit can be? What you can do is you can fly around the map, and you can spy on people, spy on their bases, with these birds. I don't have this. But I know you could do that. Plus another YouTuber mentioned that it was possible, which is a good idea. Also, I'm sorry if I'm sniffling. I kind of have a little bit of a cold. But yeah. If you can basically fly around, it's basically your character flying, except you're staying still, kind of like the turret kit. But yeah, that's why this kit is godlike. I really want it. All right, next kit, Archer. Alright. Oh my god. Okay, this kit it's okay. It's okay. Okay. The bad thing about this kit is that when it's free, because when it's free, they should never make Archer kit free, because then there's going to be so many bow spammers. It basically just increases your damage with bows and gives you access to the OP tactical crossbow, which it sucks. It does so much damage to you. People just bow spam when this kit is free. So yeah, please don't make this kit free. But okay, if you're good at bows, this is a really overpowered kit. But for me, I'm not the best at bows. But people would put this in godlike because of how good they are with bows. No, I'm not the best at bows. I'm going to put it in okay. Well, but the good thing about this kit and a lot of the other older kits, they give you 2 advantages. While the new ones Wizard, Bee, Turret, they only give you 1 advantage. The older ones, Baker, they give you 2 foods. Farmer give you 2 seeds. Builder, well, okay, it only gives you 1 hammer, but you get the point. It's one of the older kits, so it's also pretty good. Alright, next kit we have Melody. This kit is going to go into the terrible section. Alright, I think we can all agree that this kit sucks. This is one of the kits that I just I've never seen anyone use it. Like, if you just randomly buy this kit and you're not like a YouTuber who buys all the kits, like if you just get like $5 and your first kit you buy because you like it so much is Melody, then okay, you've got like a problem with like life, unless you know what this kit does. It gives you a guitar to heal your teammates. That's all it does. When you can buy Baker and you can heal yourself and your teammates at will. That's why this kid sucks. So Mrs. Melody over here is going in the terrible section. Understood? Yeah, it should be. Okay, I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but the next kit we're going to be ranking is the Wizard Kit. Now this kit... Okay. I would have put this in good, but like, it's bad. I'll tell you why it's bad. It's because this kit, like, it can do two things. This is one of the newer kits, but it can do two things, which is good, but they both suck. Or one of them does, at least. The lightning strike. There's no use of it, because you throw a lightning strike and it shows where it's gonna land. And that gives you like 5 seconds to run out of there before it actually hits. I've never killed someone with the lightning strike. Or maybe I have if they were at like really low HP and they're just like the first time playing in the game. But like, lightning strike is super useless. And I don't even know why I bought this kit. Like, yeah, I bought this kit for a video. If you don't know, if you want an example of this kit, just look at my video. I don't know, I think it's like the Wizard Kit is super OP. At the time I thought it was good, but now I'm realizing it's not. The staff. It's 3 emeralds. Like, that's so much just for bad stuff. Now, the electricity orb, it would have been really good if it went a little bit faster. The only downside is that it's slow. But like, the thing about it is, it's really OP because it slows you down and slowly makes you take damage over time, which is a really, really good thing, because once I saw like a really big elder tree who everyone hated in the match, and he was jumping onto a bridge from like the corner, like let's just say there was like a gap that he was jumping through. I launched an electricity orb at him, but I was really close to him where he could have killed me, because I had to make it like go pretty far, because it goes very slow and then disappears over time. So like, it knocked him off basically, or like it made him slow on the jump so he fell through the gap. That's a good thing about the Wizard Kit. Alright, like, the Wizard Kit can be good in some ways. I don't know. But the next kit we're going to be ranking is Barbarian. This kit would have been terrible if it wasn't for the Rage Blade update. That's why this kit is godlike. Now, I don't really use this kit that much, but like, the thing about this kit that makes it like really, really good is its Rage Blade. But there's only one problem. You have to get so many kills to get that Rage Blade that I feel like, I'm not sure if it belongs in this or this. I'm gonna keep it inside of godlike for now, but you know, like, you have to get a lot of kills to get like different swords, and then Rage Blade is replaced with an emerald sword. But yeah, I don't have much time left on the video, so I'm gonna go a little bit quicker. Jade Kit. This kit to you guys might suck. This kit to me is like one of the best kits in the game, and the best one out of the 3 so far. I'm honestly going to like put them like worst to bad here, and yeah. So here's why the Jade Kit is so good. Maybe it doesn't do damage, but when you swing it, it launches you forward, and people can go up in the air. Now think about it. If people are trying to rush you, they're building a bridge over to you, then you like launch your hammer and you jump onto that bridge. It's a really big gap. You knock them into the air and they fall off. By that time, you can launch the hammer again all the way to their bed, and then you can destroy the bed even before they respawn. This is what makes this kit really OP. Not like the damage on the hammer. It's just because knock someone off of a bridge with the hammer and then launch yourself forward to the bed and destroy it. That's what makes this kit really OP. Alright. Now, Beekeeper. This kit used to be the best kit in the game, and now it is bugged. No, this doesn't mean it's in like one of the worst 3 ranks. This just means it's bugged. Or like this is like out of the tier list. It just bugged. it be dropping iron chest plates like on that video where I said I found a glitch in Roblox Bedwars, and now it's just like it used to drop so many emeralds. Like if you had this kit in Farmer was free during this time also, so like it was super OP. That's why it was such a good kit. You just had to collect a few bees around the map. 3 bees, and you could consistently drop a bunch of emeralds. And bees are so easy to collect. But it is level 20 on the battle pass, so that's at least fair because of how OP it is. Now, Farmer. This kit. This this kit, like, okay. I wasn't thinking about this, but, like, I think you guys are gonna hate me for this, but, like, this kit is okay. Alright? Now you guys are going to be very confused. It's definitely better than Archer, without a doubt. But here's the thing. They made something about Farmer that I'm not sure you guys realize. Any other farmers in the game on your team, or like on other teammates, can harvest your farm. This is really bad. They should make it so the person who put the crops down can harvest them. Because I had a teammate who I made a farm with, but he harvested all the crops, and he was supposed to put like melon seeds like in there, like he was supposed to use the emeralds for melon seeds, and then like he was also supposed to like use it to help us. But no, he bought an emerald sword for himself, which costs 20 emeralds, and that's really bad. So they need to remove that thing from the game. Then it might be overpowered, but until then, it's going in the okay. Or actually, you know what? It's good. It's a good kit, but they need to fix the glitch. Well, it's not really bugged. It's just something that's always been there, and they made an update because like they knew they wanted to make that update. But this kit is just bugged. Okay, this kit is terrible. All right, I don't really think we have to do much about this. We have to take a hammer for 20 iron and fortify blocks for 1 iron. Okay, you can already tell how bad this is. This kit is also terrible. This kit, this came out before the amazing Elder Tree kit. And then what happened was once the Lassie kit came out, it added fireballs and threw off this kit totally. Because this kit has a TNT cannon where you can launch TNT. Cool, right? But what if they added fireballs, which are so much better because you can like control where they aim a lot better. Plus, like, you don't have to buy additional TNT, and you can like move it wherever you want. So yeah, that's why this kit sucks. Elder Tree used to be the best kit in the game. But yeah, let's talk about Elder Tree here. This kit, I don't know, it's okay, alright? Like, it's better than Archer, okay? It's better than Archer, but this kit is just weird. Okay, finally, I think I got my voice back. Oh, now I'm losing it again. But this kit, like, Elder Tree, oh my gosh. It used to be so good, but then they made it so bad. And I got scammed out of my Roblox, sorry, I can't speak today. I got scammed out of my Robux from buying this. Do not buy this kit. It makes you bigger by collecting tree orbs around the map. But, like, you can buy this if you want, I just don't recommend it. Now, this kit. You would think I'd put it in terrible. But you guys are going to be so surprised on where I put this. I'm putting this in overpowered. Yes, I'm putting this in overpowered. Only because of the reason that you get a lasso and you can pull people towards you. If you're good with this kit, which I'm not, you can pull people towards you and it's really, really good. Now I have to speed up because there's only like 50 seconds on this video left. So this kit, it's going here, second best one. Yeah, because this like shoots turrets shoots bullets out of a turret. It's like really good, knock people off the map. This kit sucks. It just gives you a shield. This kit also sucks because it just sucks. Okay, this kit I honestly don't know the buff, so I'm just gonna put it okay for now. But it's level 50 in the battle pass, so I'm pretty sure it's not worth it. This kit no one uses anymore, so it's okay. So yeah, this is my tier list. Hopefully you guys agree with this. I'm gonna like take a screenshot and maybe make this the thumbnail, but like yeah, that's my tier list. So hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.